Hi, I'm Andrew Noyes, Customer Service Operations Manager with Bay & Bay. Just wanted to speak to you briefly about our relationships with our customers and how important it is to not only deliver on time, but to communicate any issues that might come up either before picking up a load or in transit. Now there are two big pieces to this communication for our customer. First of all, it's very important that we have timely communication to provide to the customer so the facility can reschedule as quickly as possible and adapt to whatever issues might come up in terms of on-time pickup or delivery. The other piece is that our customers measure us on a weekly, monthly, and annual basis on scorecard metrics for our on-time service and our data integrity and communication. So the other big piece of our negotiation when it comes to rate and soliciting additional freight is measured by our ability to timely communicate any issues that do occur on the road, in transit, or on the way to picking up a load. So please, if you would do your best to call in and send a message to communicate an issue as soon as you see that you are not going to be able to pick up or deliver on time. That will enable us to provide excellent customer service and build those relationships to solicit extra freight and keep you rolling. Thank you.